What's up YouTube? It's American Farm Restorations coming back to you with another video. Today is a big day as we're going on a trip to look at buying a new excavator for the channel. But that's not all. We're also going to be sharing our plans for the next phase of our channel and what you can expect going forward. Something you can expect going forward is, if you've been following us along, you know that we purchased 21 acres of mostly cleared farmland, and we sold our old excavator, the John Deere 290D. We've been looking for a new one ever since, and we found one, and we're going to go take a look at it. We think it's going to be perfect for what we need it for. It's a 13,500 pound machine. It's a Hyundai 60CR-9A. We think it'll be perfect. We're going to go take a look at it. The only issue is it's a little over 1,000 miles away from where we are. About 634 hours, probably a little bit more because the current owner is still using it while it's for sale. This one's got a little bit more technology than the old 290D, so that should be interesting. This one has a hydraulic thumb. Our old one had a manual thumb that we had to put on. This one's going to come with a 24-inch digging bucket as well as a 48-inch ditching bucket, and it does have the quick coupler capability, which is a very nice feature. If we're able to put together a deal, we're going to have to figure out a way to get this thing back home. So we're going to have to find a shipper and see if there's anybody out there who can ship this for a reasonable price. And once we get it back to the property, we're going to start using it. We're going to start tearing into some brush, clearing some trees. Should be a lot of fun. Should be able to get you guys a lot more content. We purchased this property to eventually put in a driveway, put in a gate, put in a house, maybe a barn. So this could be a lot of content for you guys. So if you want to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, we'll keep you informed on what's going on. But we're gonna hop on a plane now and shoot down and take a look at this thing. Follow along with us.
Local time is 9:57. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items safely stowed until the aircraft comes to a final stop. Once the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, it'll be safe for you to get up and gather.
Well, we made it here, and we got a couple days until we're going to go take a look. I'm going to bring my camera with me. I'm going to try to get some shots of the deal going through, see if we can put together something and get it shipped back up to the property. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.